If you're planning to become a licensed home builder in Alabama, passing the Alabama Home Builders Licensure Board HBLB exam is a critical step in getting approved to legally build residential homes in the state. This exam is open book, but don't let that fool you. Many applicants still fail because they don't understand the structure of the exam or how to properly use the reference books. In this video, I'm going to break down what is the Alabama Home Builder License and allows you to do, how the HBLB exam is structured, the exact books used on the exam, key topics you'll be tested on, and proven strategies to help you pass on your first try. So let's get started. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. If you're preparing for the Alabama contractor exam, then stay tuned because I'll be giving you a special discount code on all Alabama prep materials towards the end of this short video. So, the Alabama Home Builders License, issued by the Alabama Home Builders Licensure Board, allows you to legally build residential homes, perform residential remodeling and renovations, contract directly with homeowners, pull permits for residential construction projects, and operate as a licensed home builder throughout Alabama. If you're building or remodeling one or two family dwellings, this license is required. Here's what you need to know about the exam. The exam is open book. You must score 70% or higher to pass, and time management is critical. Questions are pulled directly from the approved references. You have 4 hours to go through 80 questions. This exam is designed to test whether you understand residential construction standards, not just whether you've built homes before. Here are the breakdowns of questions. You're going to have 10 on plan reading, 10 on sitework and foundations, 7 on concrete and reinforcements, 6 on masonry, 20 on carpentry, 7 on roofing, 4 on interior finish, 5 on exterior finish, 6 on associated trades, and 5 on OSHA for a total of 80 questions. There are 2 required books for the Alabama Home Builder exam, and you need to know both well. You have the International Residential Code, the IRC 2021 edition. This is the most heavily tested book on the exam, and it covers foundations and footings, framing, stairways, handrails and guards, fire separation and safety requirements, residential structural standards, and building envelope and weather protection. Many exam questions are directly worded from the IRC, so being able to quickly locate chapters and tables is essential. And finally, the Residential Home Builder Study Guide. And this book is going to focus on Alabama-specific home building practices, construction terminology, general residential building knowledge, and best practices for home construction projects. This guide helps bridge the gap between code language and real-world application, and it's often used for scenario-based questions. Here are the key topics you're going to be tested on. Across both books, expect questions on residential foundations and footings, framing systems and load paths, roofing systems and materials, stairs, egress and life safety requirements, IRC code compliance, and general residential construction practices. You're being tested on whether you can build a safe, code-compliant home, not just memorize rules. The biggest mistake thinking is it's open book and I'll just look everything up. That doesn't work. You will not have time to search blindly. Passing contractors know which books the answer are in, know where in the book to look, and practice under time conditions. Start studying right away as soon as those books come. Focus on code navigation, not memorization. Treat this like a professional licensing exam because it is. Successful test takers consistently do the following. They use highlighted and tabbed IRC books, take multiple practice exams, learn how PSI phrases questions, practice fast lookups under time conditions, and focus heavily on IRC chapters related to residential construction. If you know where to look, this exam becomes very manageable. No 2 contractors study the same way. That's why One Exam Prep offers multiple exam prep options designed to fit every learning style, schedule, and budget. Whether you want quick practice or complete done-for-you solutions, here's how to choose the right package. Practice questions. This option is perfect if you already have experience and need to get familiar with the exam format. Online course. This is a self-study online course that walks you through every exam topic step by step on demand. Book set. This book set includes the official reference materials approved for the exam. It's the foundation of any open book set. Highlighted and tabbed book set. This is a game changer. Your books arrive professionally highlighted and tabbed so you can find answers fast under exam pressure. Book rental. If you want to save money, book rental gives you temporary access to the required exam books without the full purchase price. Perfect if you only need them for a short window. The ultimate package combines practice questions, online course, highlight and tab books, and the application service into one powerful system. This is our most popular option because it covers content, strategy, and materials in one place. The one package is the all-in-one, done-for-you solution. It includes everything that we talked about: study materials, exam strategy, guidance, including setting up your business, and full support from start to finish. No matter where you're starting from, One Exam Prep has a path for you. Choose the package that matches your experience, timeline, and goals, and let's get you licensed. Use code AL10HB at checkout for 10% off any of these products. The Alabama Home Builder HBLB exam is very passable when you prepare the right way. If you take the time to understand the IRC, get comfortable with the Residential Home Builder Study Guide, and practice using your books efficiently, you can pass on your first attempt and move forward with confidence in your home building career. For Alabama Contractor Exam Prep practice questions, online courses, and highlight and tab books, visit oneexamprep.com. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Alabama Contractor licensing guides.